Hey guys, this is Miss Thompson. I'm going to start guided reading with you this week, just like we would do if we were in the classroom. I would bring you to the table for guided reading, and you would get a new book in your folder every week. Except for right now, you're going to get a new book on the computer or your iPad or your tablet or whatever you're using at home. All right, so this book is based on the level that you were reading when you left, okay? So this is a guided reading level E. You can see right down here. So what's going to happen is I'm going to turn the pages. And when I turn the pages, I want you to press the pause button, the two white lines. You're going to stop on those pages and you're going to read the words. I'm not going to read them for you. All right? You should be able to read this book on your own. If there were some words that you're struggling with, use your strategies. Use eagle eye. Did you look at those pictures to help you figure out the word? Did you use lips of fish to use that first sound to help you figure out the word? What about stretchy snake? Did you stretch out the word? Flippy dolphin. Did you flip the sounds to see if a different sound can make it sound correct? All right, so make sure you're using those strategies. If you've done all of that and you're still having trouble with the word, then you can ask mom or dad or whoever's helping you for help. All right, so remember when you get to that page, and once you press that pause button, and then when you're done reading, press play for it to turn to the next page. All right, so here we go. The title of this story is Listening to Sounds on the Farm. Listening to Sounds on the Farm. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this book. This is your book for the entire week. So practice this every day, and I'll send you a new book next week. Bye, guys.